Mercedes-Benz Leverne 2025, the future of luxury and performance. The automotive world is abuzz with the latest offering from Mercedes-Benz, the Leverne 2025. This groundbreaking model represents the pinnacle of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance engineering, setting a new benchmark in the premium vehicle segment. Designed for discerning drivers who demand both sophistication and exhilarating driving dynamics, the Leverne 2025 seamlessly blends futuristic aesthetics with advanced powertrain capabilities. From its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette to its meticulously crafted interior, every aspect of this vehicle has been engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Under the hood, the Leverne 2025 boasts a range of powertrain options, including a high-performance hybrid variant and a fully electric model, catering to the growing demand for sustainable yet powerful vehicles. The hybrid version combines a turbocharged inline-six engine with an electric motor, producing an impressive 500-plus horsepower while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency. Meanwhile, the all-electric Leverne EQ variant features next-generation battery technology, offering a range of over 400 miles on a single charge, along with rapid charging capabilities that replenish 80% of the battery in under 20 minutes. Both versions are equipped with Mercedes-Benz's latest 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and handling in all driving conditions. Step inside the Leverne 2025, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. The interior is adorned with premium materials, including hand-stitched Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are ergonomically designed with multi-contour massage functionality, ensuring maximum comfort on long journeys. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the latest iteration of the MBUX Mercedes-Benz User Experience infotainment system, featuring a massive OLED touchscreen with augmented reality navigation, voice command recognition, and seamless smartphone integration. Ambient lighting with customizable color options adds a touch of personalization, while the advanced Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers a concert-like audio experience. Safety and driver assistance technologies in the Leverne 2025 are nothing short of revolutionary. The vehicle comes equipped with the latest Drive Pilot system, enabling Level 3 autonomous driving in certain conditions, allowing the car to handle highway driving with minimal driver input. Other advanced features include adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist, night vision with pedestrian detection, and an enhanced parking assistant that can memorize parking spaces for automated retrieval. The pre-safe impulse system can detect an imminent collision and adjust seat positioning and restraint systems to minimize injury, further enhancing passenger safety. On the road, the Leverne 2025 delivers a driving experience that is both dynamic and refined. The Airmatic air suspension adapts to road conditions in real time, providing a smooth ride while maintaining sharp handling. The rear axle steering system improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making it as agile in city traffic as it is on the open highway. For performance enthusiasts, the optional AMG line package enhances the driving dynamics with sport-tuned suspension, larger brakes, and a more aggressive exhaust note. The exterior design of the Leverne 2025 is a masterclass in modern automotive styling. The sleek, coupe-like roofline, frameless doors, and signature LED lighting elements give it a distinctive presence on the road. The active grille shutters and underbody aerodynamics contribute to improved efficiency, while the optional AMG styling package adds larger air intakes and a rear diffuser for a more aggressive look. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz Leverne 2025 is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, luxury, and performance. Whether you prioritize eco-friendly driving with the EQ variant or crave the exhilarating power of the hybrid model, this vehicle offers something for every luxury car enthusiast. With its state-of-the-art technology, opulent interior, and dynamic driving capabilities, the Leverne 2025 is poised to be one of the most sought-after vehicles of the year, solidifying Mercedes-Benz's position at the forefront of the automotive industry.